576, right? So I had told you whenever there will be odd number of items. Number of items, how many numbers are there? Three numbers are there, 5, 7, and 6, right? So there are three numbers. So how we can pair them up? Whenever there will be odd number of digits, first you will be taking single digit and rest of the two digits will be taken in pair, right? Got it?
Yes.
Now what we can do, we will be going like this: 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 3 threes are, like this, right? In long division, we follow this method. So which number should I take? It should be less than 5. So which multiple should I take? Which pair? Yes, 2 twos are 4, right? 2 twos are 4. 1. No, see, I'm left with only one digit, right? And I had given you, last time I had told you one rule that we will be doubling this digit, right? 2 will become 4.
Yes.
Is it right? 2 will become 4. I have doubled the digit. But now we are left with 1 only. And 1 cannot be solved with 4. So what we need to do here, we will be carrying down this 76. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Now we will be checking like this. Which number should I multiply? 41 ones are, 42 twos are, 43 threes are, 44 fours are. We know that if I multiply 4 with 4, I'll be getting this unit digit 6, right? From this I can take hint. Since the unit digit is, or you can say place value is 6, one's place value, right? So
Yes.
4 fours are, let's try for 44 fours are. Because one here we can get the unit digit 6, right? 4 fours are 16. Yes. If I do 4, and since I'm multiplying 4 here in quotient, so I'll be writing it in divisor, so I'll be writing it in quotient also 4. Understood? So we got 176. Again, yes. Again, I'm repeating steps for you. Okay. First, what we did 2 twos are 4, right?
Yes.
Then we subtracted 4 from 5, and then we were left with 1 only. Now, when you double 2, means how to double 2 plus 2? We got 4, right? In the next step, you have to double the value, double up the value. Now you have to check, okay, 4, which number should I write with 4 to get the resultant value 176, right? So I tried it like this: 41 ones are, 42 twos are, 43 threes are, 44 fours are. Means whatever number you will be having here on the right hand side, that specific number you have to multiply, right? If you are writing 41, so 1 will be multiplied with 1. 41 ones are, 42 twos are, 43, like this. So we check how we got the hint. We checked its unit digit, right? 6. So if I do 44, see, here I have written 4. So if I'm writing 4 here, I have to write in quotient also 4. 44 fours are 176. Got it?
Yes. Okay.
If you want to copy this thing, you can copy, right? Then we will start with next one.
Yes, I have already copied it.
You copied? Okay. Should I give you the next value?
Okay.
This is for the odd number of digits, right? 576. In total, we have 3 digits, odd number, right? So first digit will remain single, right? And rest of the 2 digits will be taken in pair. Now, second one I'm giving is, I had given you 1444, right? It says 1444. 1444. Now, in total, how many digits we are having? 4 digits, means even number of items we are having. So how we can solve it? By taking them in pairs. 4 digits can be taken in pairs, right? All 4 digits can be taken in pair of 2, right? Now, we will be solving like this. 14. 1 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 threes are, 4 fours are. Means you have to take that digit which will be lesser than 14, so that we can subtract it easily. 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. I think we should go with 3 threes are 9, right? Because if we do 4 fours are 16, it won't be solved with 14, right? It won't get solved with 14. 3 threes are 9. 14 and 9, I got 5, right? And again, we have to double the digit. So I'm doubling 3. How we can double it? 3 plus 3, right? So if I do 3 plus 3, I get 6. So I'm writing 6 here. And see, you have to divide with 6, but we are left with 5. 5 cannot be solved with 6, since 5 is lesser than 6. So here we need to carry down the pair.
44.
5, yes, 44. And in total, we have 544, 3 digits. So we will be going like this: 61 ones are, 62 twos are, 63 threes are, like this. Okay. And here we need, what digit we need at unit place? 4. So if I go with 62 twos are, 2 twos are 4, we are getting 124, right? Which is lesser than 544, but it is not near to 44. So 4 we can think of. 64 fours, it will be giving 6 at unit place. We have to think of a number that can give us 4 at unit place. 8 eights are. Should I try like this? 68 eights are, because it will be giving us 4 at unit place, right? 68 8s are 8 8s are 64, 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Yes. Got it? Means
Yes,
instead of going with all the pairs 63, 64, 4s are 65, we can check the unit digit, right? So we simply have to check those pairs that can give us 4 at unit place. So we know that 2 2s are 4 give us 4 and 8 8s are 64 give us 4. So 2 2s are 4 is giving us 4, but it is not near to 544. We need some bigger digit, right? Or
yes,
means either it should be near to 544 or you can say it should give us 544, the exact digit. So I'm taking 6, 8. Since I'm writing 8 in quotient, so it will be, sorry, in divisor, so it will be written in 8 quotient also, right? 68 8s. We got exact value 544, so resultant value is 0. So what is the square root of 14 for this thing, 1444? Am I highlighting it in green? 38. Got it? Whatever value you will be getting in quotient, that would be your answer, right? And in previous one, what was the value? What was the quotient? Oh, sorry, what was the square root of 576? That is 24. 24 was the answer. And here, for 38 is the answer. Got it?
38.